Well, turmoil continues at Twitter after Elon Musk bought the company and has now started firing employees. Several workers are now suing. Casey Decker with our Verify National team breaks down whether Twitter broke employment laws.
Elon Musk has officially taken over Twitter and announced widespread layoffs. Some laid off employees have sued, arguing Twitter violated their right to receive advance notice before a mass layoff. So are companies legally required to give advance notice before mass layoffs? Let's verify. Our sources are the WARN Act and the U.S. Department of Labor. A federal law, the WARN Act, says, quote, an employer shall not order a plant closing or mass layoff until the end of a 60-day period after the employer serves written notice of such an order. So yes, in some situations, notice is required. But what situations are those specifically? Well, first, this law only applies to companies with at least 100 full-time employees. Second, it also only applies to single work sites, not the company as a whole. That's because the law was mostly created to prevent companies from suddenly pulling out of a city and tanking the local economy. Third, the number of people laid off matters. If it's fewer than 50, the law doesn't apply. If it's between 50 and 500, the law only applies if the number constitutes a third of all workers at that location. And if it's 500 or more, the law always applies. There are also some exceptions, though, like if a natural disaster destroys a workplace. So we can verify, yes, companies are legally required to give 60 days notice before mass layoffs, if the company size and the number of people being laid off is large enough. But whether Twitter specifically broke this law will have to be decided in court, where there are also similar state laws at play. With your Verify, I'm Casey Decker.
If there's something you'd like for us to verify, simply send us a message to our email, verify@12newsnow.com. You can also find us on social media.